today I'm gonna draw a strawberry. Okay, for beginner, for us, yeah, here's the basic one, and then you do like this, and then you can just go down like this. Or if you want to make it like at the second step, you can just go like, still it's like triangle, then this one is a bit like, you start shaping it, and there, right? And you can move on to, if you can do this, I suggest you to start, okay, I want to make it a little bit bigger, straight away like this. Look, start with light line, because maybe you want to do, look, I start this one first. Maybe you want to do the, I don't know what it calls in English, this thing, okay, how do you call it? Alright, some kind of leaf there, okay, and then start shading. Okay, and maybe, oh, and for this one, the dots here, you can start with the random small thin oval. Maybe it's not right, maybe it's too much, but let's ignore for now. Okay, and then you start working on the shadow, I mean shading. Oh my gosh, please forgive me, forgive my English. Alright, I want it like this, and I go around the details. I will never stop reminding you guys to be patient. We need it a lot. Well, I know one word, resilience. Like, you keep trying, you don't stop. Yeah, that's the key. Just don't stop. Keep trying, and then you'll get there. Yeah, don't stop only because your drawing is not awesome yet. No, don't do that. Just draw along with me. Alright, I think this is gonna take like 5 minutes or so, so you don't have to spend a lot of time to draw strawberries. So look, first step, second, and third. Alright, now find the part that's supposed to be darker. I don't know why I always put the shading on the, oh no, this one is on the right. Okay, fine. Because usually I put it on the left side. Alright, cool. I'm almost done. Okay, and you are at home, if you think it's too fast, you can just pause it or go back and check again how to do it. Alright. Almost done. Right. That's it. I'm done. Ta-da! Bye-bye.